Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the XPPen Deco 01. It's a drawing tablet, 10 to 6.25 inches graphics tablet, digital drawing tablet for Chromebook with battery-free stylus and 8 shortcut keys. Of course, it is a way. It will work not only with Android, of course. It will also do this with Chrome, Windows, and so many more. Mac OS 10, Mac OS 10.10 and above, etc., etc. This is a drawing tablet, sufficient working space. The Deco 01 expansive tablet is big and brilliant. It's still designed to break through the limit between shortcut keys and drawing areas. 10 to 6.25 inches working area. So we get more space to create or get work done. The drawing pad tilt supported. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt brush effects and delivers smoother and more natural lines and strokes while also giving us the ability to add shading to our creation. Digital drawing tablet with Android support can be used with Windows 10, 8, 7, Mac OS 10, 10.10 and above, and Android 6 and above, and Chrome OS 88.04324.109 and above. The drawing pad comes with customized shortcuts. It's designed for both right and left-handed users. 8 fully customizable express keys created. A highly driver allows the shortcut keys to be turned to many different software. This high tech is really cool. This is the new high tech IC to make lines flow smoother and perform better. The deco lights up on the end of the drawing area, so we can create even in the dark. XPPen, they deliver that extraordinary ideas are born of the interpretation of our life experience. They are committed to sparking the fire that drives XPPen and all to manifest our imaginations. They will be an and allow be supported of the free creation experience for new generation of art enthusiasts. To get it well delivered, the XPPen digital drawing devices excel at turning fleeting inspiration into everlasting masterpieces. No matter how wild it is, we dream and XPPen delivers. Super slim and compact design. The Deco One drawers tablet, expansive tablet, is big and brilliant. It comes with 10 to 6.5 inches working area, so we can have more space to create and get work done. But at only 8mm thick, we can take it anywhere without the burden of lugging around a heavy drawing tablet. And the 8 customized shortcut keys, we can customize them to express keys that fit easily to our fingertips. With its blind spot reducing design, we can find the position of our express keys efficiently, and the shortcut keys can be programmed to many different software programs. And we have a newly designed battery-free Stylus PN05 here. This is the true life with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This giving it intelligence to modify, navigate, and create with a full palette of brush and pads. The pen works just like a real pen. No battery and no recharging is required. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt brush effects and delivers smoother and more natural lines and strokes, while also giving us the ability to add shading to our creation and offering a more natural writing and drawing experience. And it's compatible with Mac, Windows, Chrome operating system, and Android, so you can make it. Once we need to broadcast or online teaching, learning, we will need a graphic tablet handy. TC Edit, write and add a complicated functions equation to our dream and to our stream. Time to host an online meeting, or we do remote work at home. When getting ourselves ready, we may need to a graphic tablet handy to recommend minutes or to jot down our ideas and inspirations quickly and easily. That's where the XPPen graphics tablets come into us. And it works with all kind of computer out there. Online teachers and students can create and explain interactive content visual by writing, editing, and annotating it directly in files and sharing their screen in real time. Web conferences. The Deco Pen tablet allows us to start broadcasting for distance education or web conferences, entering an interactive classroom or meeting room anytime and anywhere. And e-learning. The XPPen graphics tablets makes us education journey much smoother and easier, and our education broadcasting more intuitive and attractive, of course. That means more to explore simultaneous digital inking with the XPPen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.